Lemon squeezer hand-pressed juicer tool with assorted color. Use this squeezer for all kinds of citrus fruits. Lemon squeezer is made of high-quality sturdy aluminum alloy with enamel, with BPA-free food-grade coating. Our lemon squeezer won't waste even a single drop from your favorite fruit. Ideal for extracting citrus juice. The holes at the bottom of the citrus juicer serve as a built-in strainer. Long handles for easy and mess-free juice pressing, making it a perfect addition to your cocktail accessories. This durable manual juicer is made from aluminum and is finished off with a food-grade coating. This squeezer, premium material, multifunctional, sturdy, and effortless. And also save time and effort, clean in seconds, dishwasher safe. Extracts pure juice without seeds or pulp. Lemon squeezer can be washed in the dishwasher and set hands-free. The ergonomic handle makes the lime squeezer super comfortable for even kids to use. So keep your family healthy and safe with our lemon squeezer. And the end, leave us your feedback. Thanks for watching this video.